Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pelmachin Family. So, it's me again, Vicky Wu, my husband Dino Wu, and my one and only daughter, Ariana Wu. So now we are going to holiday. 6 hours drive from Kuala Lumpur to Kelantan, Kota Baru. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Keep on watching. So, we are traveling from Kuala Lumpur to Kota Baru, Kelantan, around 424 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur. So, look at the view guys. Drive lang mi, slowly lang. Napakaganda ng mga tanawin. Oh. Ay! Napakaganda ng tanawin ngayon. First time namin dumaan dito na highway na road. This is a new road. New highway. So, see you later guys. Kasi mahaba pa yung biyahe. Ngayon is 1 o'clock na. Darating kami ng Kota Baru is 6:30 or before 7. So, see you later. Alam nyo guys, kaya kami nagpunta rito dahil holiday kasi walang pasok ang mga bata until 16, 1 month silang walang pasok dahil school holiday. At sa susunod na pasukan is grade 2 na ang aking gamayng bata. Hindi na pala gamay, dako na pala. Daghan ang mga jackfruit dito. A lot of jackfruit here, papa. What? A lot of plantation here. This one is called Raub. Jalan Raub. So yun guys. See you again later guys, no? Itong dinaanan namin guys, no, small road na, no. Marami dito mga plantation dito, durian, mga klaseng prutas. Dito bukid itong dinaanan namin. Hindi kami dumaan sa highway kasi hindi pa tapos yung road eh. Hindi pinadaanan. Kaya dito kami sa maliit na road nagdaan. Tawag dito Kampung Road, Kampung Road. Kampung means province. Kaya dito kami, yan, mga fruits yan dyan. Nandyan yung mga durian dyan. Yan. Buhok. Nasa Kelantan na kami guys. Ayan, napakalaki ng dagat. Alon, napaka-alon. Wait. What? Go.
We're very dirty.
It's not dirty la, it's a sand. 20 kilometer. 272. 272 kilometer. Wah, kamera oh. Hala ka.
Okay, mama.
Yeah.
Hey,
De. Pas bayar dia hukum.
how much? No price ah.
Plus oh.
Price ah. Tell you, Gina, ready lah.
I don't know lah if you plus. How come you don't see ah?
Ready see ah. Ini jauh tu ah.
Now only they don't tell also.
No lah. This way tu ya. They want come up.
Oh, ya lah, konti lah.
How come again? You don't know?
No, they don't tell anything.
Yeah, because come up only lah.
No, we pass by here. The day is the Tokwa.
Yeah, only go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go down and we go there. No camping there.